It should have been a clean cut, but 1 second changed everything. The saw screamed, the ground shook, and the forest answered back. When man loses control, nature writes the ending. These old giants look unbreakable, but one bad spot and they'll turn dangerous fast. Props to the pros keeping things smooth and safe. Even the best can mess up sometimes.
What? Oh my goodness. Look out, look out, look out, look out! All right.
Man, luck was totally on his side there.
Oh my goodness.
176 years old and 80 feet tall. What a beast of a tree. Ben and the crew handled it like pros with that style 440 Magnum and a Ford Ranger. The power of teamwork and the right tools, nothing beats a style. He's cutting that tree like he's in a dance-off on TikTok.
Precision landing or what?
Yikes. After that, I wouldn't let them near my backyard. This video's the perfect reminder. Plan before you cut.
There she goes.
Watching them work on a steep alpine slope with a 1.5 kilometer cable, my heart's racing. Mad respect. That Husqvarna 385 XPG is killing it. That guy's seriously lucky. The tree could have gone anywhere, but he nailed it. Even a dead cherry tree can give you trouble, but with skill like that, down clean and safe. This dude's a total pro.
Got a gas? You got gas with, right? Yeah.
Unreal precision. He's clearly the real deal. Which scene blew your mind the most? It's wild how powerful trees are when they finally go down. Future lumberjacks, take notes. This is exactly how not to do it. Pure Chaos Class 101. The Echo 501 versus Steel 261 showdown, and Echo just stole the win. Oh my God. A 95 Simpetitas Beach versus Husqvarna 372 XP and HSM 906. That's raw power meets precision. Woohoo! Heads up for the javelin. Prime example of why back away from the base of a falling tree. Drew's rough shots, plus steel, MS400C, hush, total power combo. Perfect for Georgia timber. The way he used the second tree to fell the first tree is chef's kiss. It's not the ideal cut, but a win is still a win. He's okay, thank God. Absolute perfection. That lumberjack's got skills for days. If there were an award for clumsiest cutter, this guy's taking gold. Always keep your eyes on the fall. Blink, and it's lesson learned the hard way. This is nature's ASMR, the powerful, calming sound of a tree coming down. Taking down a red oak with lightning protection? That's not just skill, that's strategy. Flat landing. Spot on. Sometimes luck's the real hero of the day. Practicing cuts on small trees, that's how you sharpen your skills. Wow, that boar cut was slick. absolutely flawless.
Starting to move.
Such a bad call. Never top a tree like that just to save time.
Yeah, you gotta bore cut them ones. Presión, presión.
I held my breath the whole time they lowered that limb. That's next level teamwork. Now that's what I call teamwork.
I don't want to get stuck in some rock right there.
Rotten wood versus gravity. Total time bomb.
I go to, it might fall towards you. Coming down. Right towards me. Right where I was standing.
Risky move, but hey, it worked.
Oh, cool.
With a steel 046 Magnum, that white pine didn't stand a chance. Smooth and clean. Bye, little buddy. Funny how small dead trees can be more dangerous than the big healthy ones. Everyone's got their own way to work. As long as nobody gets hurt, it's all good. For a second there, I thought he didn't know how a chainsaw even works. Oh no. That poor car got the worst luck ever. Brilliant and dangerous all at once. Smart moves are all about calculations. The Husqvarna 372 XP is basically a warrior's sword, built to conquer the toughest cuts. Perfect example of why safety matters. That load strap saved the day. When you've mastered your craft, even a huge tree feels routine. Did you enjoy the show? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible content. We'll see you next time.